Are you tired of traditional journaling techniques and do you want to explore new ways to connect with your inner thoughts and feelings? Then come join me as I discover the power of Chat GPT for journaling. Hey everyone, and welcome to my video on journaling with Chat GPT. And I'm super excited of sharing this new and innovative technique with you today. And as you might know, journaling is a powerful tool for self-reflection, self-discovery, and emotional expression, and it can help us better understanding ourselves, process our thoughts and feelings, and gain clarity on our goals and aspirations. But sometimes traditional journaling can feel stale and uninspiring. That's where ChatGTP comes in. ChatGTP is a powerful language model that can generate human-like text based on a given prompt. By using ChatGTP as a journaling tool, you can explore new and creative ways of connecting with your inner thoughts and feelings. So, how does it work? It's pretty simple, and all you need is a computer or a smartphone with internet access. First, you go to ChatGPT website and enter your prompt. This could be a question, a statement, or any other thought that you want to explore. Or a whole situation where you narrate in very raw thoughts what were you going through, as I did in this case, for example, that you can have access through the link on the website, on the description of the video. Then you press enter and let the chat GTP do the rest. And as you read the responses generated by the chat GTP, you might be surprised by the insights and connections that emerge. You might discover new perspectives on your thoughts and feelings and uncover deeper layers of meaning and understanding. So you can ask to write coherent text like this one, or you can ask to separate the text on different paragraphs like I did on this one, and you can improve in the text by putting your own input and your own reflections on the raw text that the tool is giving to you. Then you can even ask for direct questions. Ask like, can you came up with possible psychological implications of this story for me, which ChatGPT will do it for you. And then you can even develop in different points or different angles. Like, what about developing healthy boundaries as well? Or can you mention in point four, and then you give it the point four, like, what is the ambiguity in a certain situation between, in this case, the fact that someone was overcoming my boundaries at the same time that I was doing something that is aligned with my masculine energy. And finally, you can ask for other suggestions, like what should I have done to step into my full masculine power. And I totally encourage you to give ChatGPT journaling a try because it's fun and it's an engaging way to connect with your inner thoughts and feelings, and a great way to shake up your journaling routines. Thank you very much for watching. You have the whole conversation on the description of the video. And yes, half of the script that I just read was generated by ChatGPT without almost any type of editing. So this is raw ChatGPT. I have another version of this video that you can check where I'm narrating the same event, but with me directly, not with ChatGPT. And you can tell me which one you like more, the raw Carlito Fluito or the ChatGPT Carlito Fluito, because this is coming, guys. We are merging with AI slowly but surely. Much love and enjoy your day and enjoy this tool with consciousness. Love.